Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to streamline your workflow, track progress visually, and keep your team perfectly aligned, then you need to master the Jira Kanban board. In this full guide, I'll walk you step by step through how to create and customize your own Kanban board in Jira. Even if you're a complete beginner, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. From your dashboard, head over to your work, then click on the Projects tab. This is where we'll begin setting up your new Kanban project. Next, click on Create Project. Jira will show you several templates. Choose Software Development. This template supports the Kanban methodology, which focuses on continuous delivery and visualizing workflow efficiently. Now, select the Kanban board option. This is perfect for teams that handle ongoing tasks and want a clear picture of work in progress. It helps you reduce cycle time, balance capacity, and maintain a smooth flow across stages. Click Use Template to apply Jira's default Kanban setup. Don't worry, you can fully customize it later based on your team's specific needs and workflow preferences. When Jira asks, choose a team-managed project. This gives your team full control to adjust columns, rules, and permissions independently. Then, give your project a clear and memorable name so everyone knows what it's for. Next up, set your access level. You can pick private if only selected members should view it, limited for group level collaboration, or open if you want it accessible to your entire organization. You'll also need to define a project key, which acts as a short identifier in all your task IDs. For example, DEV or MKT. Finally, review everything on the summary screen, and once it looks good, click Continue. And that's it. Your new Jira Kanban board is ready. Start adding tasks, arranging columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done, and refine settings as your workflow evolves. Remember, the power of Kanban comes from continuous improvement, so keep updating and optimizing regularly. And there you have it, your complete guide to creating a Jira Kanban board from scratch. If this video helped you organize your workflow better, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more practical tech and productivity tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover Jira automation or board customization next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.